Presenting Fire-Boltt Ring Bluetooth Calling Smartwatch. It comes in 5 color variants of beige, black, blue, grey and red. The watch has HD full touch screen. It has a 1.7-inch screen. The smartwatch has sleek and fashionable metal body. The watch can work for 24 hours with Bluetooth calling and 8 days without Bluetooth calling. It comes with real-time SPo2 blood oxygen monitoring and heart rate monitoring. It also has sleep and fitness tracking. The one-click control mode and honeycomb menu helps you quickly navigate. The smartwatch has multiple watch faces. It has smart controls like weather forecast, alarm, remote control camera. Inside the box, you will find one smartwatch, one charging cable and one manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.